Alright, let's go.
Must be something wrong with your can, man, because it was a bitch to hit.
There's one in here.
Pick it the hell up!
What?
Dropping it in the mud. My God. Go ahead.
Last gun I fired pistol was a 9mm Browning. This should have more kick.
A bit. You're shaking, bud.
It's been a while.